Dear listener.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Malhotra. Today we are presenting a presentation on Mori leadership and Tikanga, a case study of Ravi Vaiti. These are my group members.
Hi there, my name is Karan. My student ID is 110784.
My name is Palak Patel, 110918.
Hi, I'm Satvik, 110910.
Now we are sharing our screen of PT. So these are the Karaki and Hakatoki.
Wakataka
Ururu, Wakatoka Teo, Ki Tonga, Ki Manakania, Ki Uta, Kia Matarata, Ki Tai, Iki Ahe Tana, Ki Abba,
Itayo Hukai Deai Mori
Ora.
The meaning is prepare us for the day ahead. Let it be fresh, clear start. Karakia.
Ihara toku toa, aitoa takatahi, ingari hi tomo takanini. Meaning, my strength is not that of one, but of many. Now Palak is presenting her
My
paper.
Pepeha. My ID is 110918. Tena Kotu Katoa, No India Ahu, Ko Hillcrest North Ko Tamaki Makoru, Taku Kenga Noho, Keite Apo Ahua Ki ICL Business School, Keite Mahi Ahu Ki Apron Empowered, Ko Palak Tapu Innova.
Hi, I am Priyanka Malhotra. My ID is 111274. Tenu Kotua Kotua, Ko Shivalik Hills Toku Mongwa, Ko Ganga Tokua Wako, Singapore Airlines Toku Waka, Ko Kashyap Toko Ivuku, Temple Toku Marie, No Hindustan Ayoku Mount Roskill Toku Gangya Inai, Ko ICL Business School Toku Korua, Hindu Kashyap Toku Vanu, Ko Ashwini Kumar Toku, Matthew Ko Shakuntala Rani Toku Vaya. को प्रियंका मल्होत्रा तो को इंगुआ नो रिया तैनु कोतुआ कोतुआ.
Hi, my name is Karan and my student ID is 110784. Tina Kotwa Katwa, Ko Kasoli Toku Manga, Ko Ganga Toku Ava, Ko Malaysia Airways Toku Waka, Ko Aura Toku Avi, Ko Temple Toku Marai, No Haryana India How, K Messi Toku Kenga and I, Ko ICL Business School Toku Kora, Ko Hindu Khatri Toku Ayu, Ko Anil Kumar Toku Madhua, Ko Sapna Toku Vai, Ko Karan Toku Ingo.
Hi, my name is Satvik. I'm just going to read my paper. Tina Koto Katoa, Ko Anantagiri Hills Toku Monga, Ko Godavari Toku Ava, Ko Air India Toku Waka, Ko Telugu Toku Ivi, Ko Hyderabad Toku Mare Mali, No, Ko Telangana India Ahu, Ki Tamaki Makarao Toku Kainga Inaini, Ko ICL Toku Kura, Ko Kankanala Toku Vanau, Ko Papradi Toku Matau, Ko Mamata Toku Via, Ko Satvik Reddy Kankanala Toku Ingo, No Hira Tina Kotu Kato.
Now I am presenting Vakavana Tongua. This philosophy focus on relationship building and maintenance through shared experience and respect. For the purpose of this presentation, Vaka Tonguana energizes us and learn is relationship with Mori knowledge system and culture identity. Sharing our papeha, recognize our own place and our relationship with the leader we are studying, performing values of oneness, belonging, and cultural connection in the learning space.
Now I am presenting introduction to the leader, Ravi Vaititi background and EV affiliations. Ravi Vaititi is a Maori politician and community leader, teacher, and activist born in Whakatane and raised on the East Coast. His leadership journey is particularly rooted in Maori language revival and indigenous rights. As co-leader of the Pati Maori, he fights for equality, cultural identity and political representations. Why this leadership blends traditional Maori values with modern political activism, positioning him as a contemporary uh, Rangatira who embodies both ancestral wisdom and progressive vision.
So the traditional and contemporary Maori leadership, pre-European Maori leadership, Rangati Ranga Tanga, was based on the genealogy, wisdom, service, and the community welfare. Chiefs were noted for the mana capacity to preserve the Tikanga and the concern for their people. Leadership was not about the personal power, but the harmony among the Wau, Hopu, and Iwi. In contemporary time, Maori leadership extended into the politics, business, education, and the media. Vaiti leadership bridges these two worlds. It draws upon the traditional principles such as Manakatinga and the Pakatanga, while using modern political platform to assert the Maori identity and the challenges systematic inequities. His work represents an evolution of Maori leadership that adapts ancestral wisdom to the modern social changes.
Tikanga and Matapuna identified. Tikanga refers to correct cultural practices, while Matapuna are the underlying sources of moral values. Whitey's leadership is grounded in key Tikanga, including Mana Ki Tanga, demonstrating care and respect for the others. Vanunga Tanga, strengthening relationships and unity. Kai, Kaitai Katanga, protecting Maori culture, land, and people. Turangawai, standing firm in identity and belonging. This principle guide his actions in parliamentary and community contexts. His leadership reflects the balance between Mana Tangata and Mana Venua.
Demonstration of Tikanga and Mata Puna. Rabri Vyati leadership demonstrated through consistent application of Tikanga in public and political life. His insistence of standing of parliament without a necktie was Mori, so sovereignty and resistance of colonial conformity and exercise of Ture Wanga, Waka Papa, and Rangitiranga. He also practices Manakitanga and advocacy of Mori health, education, and social welfare reform. His promotion to Re Rio Mori in public institution is an exercise of Kartiki Tanga of cultural heritage. These instances show how Mori values can be applied to leadership in Western political structure, and they become centuries on applauded indigenous vision of integrity of culture.
Now I am going to present self mystery. Rangati Ranga Tanga over self. Self mystery of Rangati Ranga O Te Tangata is mystery over one's emotion, values and actions. Vaititi demonstrates self mystery through being strong and genuine despite criticism and media backlash. He remains firm in representing Maori identity and values. His ability to maintain composure while advocating for Maori rights reflects spiritual strength and cultural confidence. Vaiditi's leadership reveals a deep understanding of self guided by Whakapapa, Vairawa, and purpose. This self discipline allows him to lead not from ego but from collective responsibility and cultural conviction.
So now I will talk about the mastery of working with others, Panakatanga. A hallmark of Vaiti leadership in his ability to connect with people across diverse groups. He makes solid relationships with the Maori communities, young people, and politicians through the Panakatanga. His open system is founded on the harmony in the sense that different voices can contribute to the shared goals. A demonstration of his collaborative work is Te Maori in proof of his capacity to decide together and share the leadership. His community project guarantee empowerment where leadership is not based about the power but the service. This ability to unite people summarizes the spirit of Maori leadership ideology.
Maoridom significance. Vitality matters to Mauridom since he is a symbol of Maori identity and sovereignty within national politics. His leadership ignites Maori pride and reaffirms to Rio Maori in everyday discourse. As a modern Rangatira, he bridges generations, empowering youth to lead through cultural authenticity. He turns colonial norms on their head by rewriting 21st century leadership as a Maori leader. His book is the very height of Tino Rangatiranga, self-determination and a source of instruction for generation of future leaders to allow who want to walk tradition and innovation to the good to their people.
Now, critical reflection. Vaiditi is rooted in culture, in his leadership, but political revolutionary. His authenticity of adherence of Maori values set him apart from Western leadership models of prioritized individualism. Through Tikanga, he creates a leadership style based on humanity, services, and collective growth. His action challenge social structures and promoting reconciliation and respect. Critically, Waititi's success lies in his ability to adapt ancient Maori principles to address modern social issues. His journey shows that effective leadership emerges from cultural identity, emotional intelligence, and commitment to community well-being.
Next slide is conclusion. Raviri Vaiditi's leadership demonstrates that Maori values remain powerful and relevant in modern contexts. Through Manaki Tanga, Panaunga Tanga, and Tino Rangiti Ranga, he exemplifies a model of leadership that integrates self-mystery, collaboration, and cultural pride. His work symbolizes hope and transformation of Maori communities across Aotearoa.
Thank you so much. Here's your slide.
ये बाकी है क्लोजिंग करा किया हुआ है
मैं वो नहीं
है
बाकी है ये तो
Resume-
कर दो
Resume कर
रिज्यूम करते हैं अभी रिज्यूम
कहाँ पर है ये?
नेक्स्ट स्लाइड इज रेफरेंसेस देन क्लोजिंग करा यस
रेफरेंसेस नहीं आपा करनी है ना
अरे रिकॉर्डिंग हो ना मेरे साथ।
नहीं रिज्यूम है करना रेफरेंसेस नहीं सीधा क्लोजिंग करा के कर देने
देन व्हाई
नाउ वी आर प्रेजेंटिंग क्लोजिंग करा किया तो कोतुआ ते आता वाहियो तातुआ रेकी रोहा मी आई वी वांगा ताही तांगा की वाहियो तापू आके आके अमी meaning my grace love and unity be with all us all forever.
भाई आता
ते रोवा ते वाका पोनो मी ये रंगा मरे तुतुआ ए थैंक यू किया और तुम्हारो खूब खूब आभार धन्यवाद